The morning after Anna Hazare's historic and victorious crusade for the Lokpal Bill, amid the celebrations from public fora to drawing rooms across the country, there is furious and animated conversation about what kind of lessons could be taken away from the entire 5-day fast. NDTV's Barkha Dutt spoke to former West Bengal Governor and Mahatma Gandhi's grandson Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Here's what he had to say.
Today is a day, I think, of rejoicing. It is also a day that calls, in the Gandhian sense, a call to responsibility in every possible sense. The bill that is hopefully going to emerge from the labours of the Joint Committee should be a responsible bill. It is not a bill that is meant to strike terror. It is a bill that is meant to install responsibility. Amongst all, there should be no bloodthirstiness in it, but there should be courage in it, there should be stature in it, there should be strength. And to achieve such attributes, the bill has to be a bill which the country brings into being through the mechanism which the Constitution has put in place, catalyzed by this extraordinary movement led by Anna Hazare. What I think the movement has done more than other movements in the recent past, like Jayaprakash ji's movement did, is to create what can be called a moral dividend. Suddenly from nowhere, a moral dividend has arisen. That, I think, should be invested very, very carefully in the crafting of this bill and beyond, in putting the role of money in its proper place. The connection between money, elections, and natural resources, forests and mines in India is an odious connection, and that should be put on notice by the moral dividend created by Anna Hazare. And if that happens, this struggle would have achieved its purpose.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.